How to connect Resend to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Resend to Base44. So first, go ahead and set up Resend. Create an account on Resend. So you can create an account with your Google Mail or your Apple account. You can also create an account by entering your information manually into the area. And then once you have created an account, go ahead and go to your dashboard. And then on your dashboard, head over into the domains tab. So on your domains tab, go ahead and add your domain. So click on add domain. And then from here, go ahead and verify your domain by adding the DNS records, the name, region, and then verify your domain by adding the DNS records provided by Resend into your DNS provider. This ensures your emails won't be flagged as spam. So you can use a subdomain like mailmyapp.com or updatesmyapp.com for cleaner separation. Now, in the Resend dashboard, go to the API keys tab. And then from here, create a new API key. Name this API key. So for example, I want to name it as base44. And then set the privacy to full access, and then click on the add button to add this. So copy the API key from here and head over into Base44. So on Base44, head over into the integrations tab and look for Resend. So click on Resend and then click on this use this integration button. So you'll be able to use this feature if you have upgraded your account into Builder or above. So basically you can connect your recent account to Base44 if you have upgraded your account. So if you did had upgraded your account, go ahead and paste your recent API key here, and then after that you can set up email flows directly in Base44 from Resend. So Base44 will generate backend functions to send emails like confirmations, newsletters, or notification. So you can send a test email from Base44 using Resend and check your inbox and spam folder to confirm delivery. If emails don't arrive, double check DNS records and API key validity. And that is how you can basically connect Resend to Base44.